The continuation calculator is used to calculate the continuation rates for the continuation curve based on a sample of individual client level data over time. To begin, we can enter what's called the reinitiation gap, or that's the number of days after a missed appointment that would be considered a discontinuation. So here I'm going to set that to 2 weeks or 14 days. This means that if a client's more than 2 weeks late for their appointment, after which their drug supply has run out, then they would have considered to have discontinued, and any visits after that would be considered a reinitiation. Next, one can track among those discontinuing the reasons for discontinuation. So this is an optional step. We've put in a list of common reasons for discontinuation, but these are editable. So if you have your own reasons for discontinuation that you want to track, you can write over these here to put in your own custom list. Next, we can go to individual level data entry. First, we start with PrEP-ID, or however you're keeping track of individual clients. Next, a priority population. This is the drop-down list. These are the populations specified in the Populations tab. If you're tracking discontinuation reasons, you can specify those here. And then we do the date of initiation, or the day the client started PrEP drugs. And the number of days drug supply they received on that date. For any subsequent visits, in returns 1 through 10, so there's room for 10 different return visits, one only needs to put in the date that they returned and the number of drug supply they received. And for each visit, they can do the same. It's important to note that if a client is late to a visit, that one doesn't skip one of the returns, but rather for each subsequent visit, just put them in the next available slot. This will help the calculator make the correct calculations. So now we can zoom ahead to where I have inputted a sample of data for multiple clients of different priority populations. There's space for up to a sample of 1,000. I've put in 118. And at the top here, we can see where it's summarized the continuation rates for each priority population in the boxes here, as well as the percentages around discontinuation. And 1/3 output is the percent who have reinitiated PrEP. So these are the people who have gone beyond the reinitiation gap and have had subsequent visits, or so they have considered to be reinitiated. The results from these are linked to the continuation tab, so you can find them there as well as on this tab here. And that's all the inputs for this tab.